Hey folks, welcome back to the Backyard Railroader. Well, around here it's been pretty muggy, rainy for the last couple of weekends and that. If not rainy, it's been cold. I haven't been able to do much on the railway, so I've been pretty bored. As you can see, got a little too bored. I also got bored with one of my trains, the little Piko track cleaning machine. I needed to give it some more power, so I'll show you what I did. I call it my little Franken train. So here, I'll show you the Franken train. Well, it needed more power, so I gave it some extra batteries, as you can see on the side there. So I had a battery cartridge from a scooter, and I took the cartridge apart, and it was full of these 1860-50 batteries. So I printed up some holders for it, and I mounted one on either side, and gave me a lot more power. Before, I used to chew through batteries in this train, and now I've got these batteries. I just recharge them. There's lots of power to pull, so it's doing great. So I think it's a perfect time to do some track cleaning. So what I'm going to use is, I got my lemon juice. I'll put the lemon juice into the squirt bottle I just picked up, so we'll do that. Alright, so I've put the lemon juice into the spray bottle. I'll pump it up and spray the track with it while the track cleaning car is going around. Should wipe it all down, and then when we're done, we just wash it off. So bird poop. Okay, here comes the car. So I'll spray over here. Sounds like I'm running out of juice. Lemon juice. So here's some of the batteries I was talking about that I got out of that battery pack. I probably got about another 4 packets like this in the shed. So I have quite a few batteries that I can work with and play around with. And so I think I'll just let the train work for the rest of the day, cleaning the track. I still have to wash the lemon juice off because it will tarnish the track. So we'll do that as well. Okay, so my train's gone around the track a few times, so now it's time to rinse it off. We don't want that lemon juice to corrode the track, but it did clean it up pretty good. So let's hose her down. So here you can see that I put batteries on it. This is how I hooked it up. I just left the battery box inside. See if I can get this out without destroying it. The batteries just slip off the front like this. And the battery box comes out. And as you can see, all I did was put the wires straight through and held them in place. I stuck a toothpick through the hole. So then it just slides right back in. And we have power. Now I will attach these batteries to the sides a little bit better. And I wanted to do some other things, you know, add some toolboxes and shovels to it. But that's how I put this together, and then this just slides back on. Easy peasy. Okay, well that's all I got for you for today, folks. So thanks for watching, and remember, keep the hobby alive, talk about trains, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.